Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to learn football alone at home. First, let's dive into the fundamentals of ball control. Begin by gently tapping the ball with both feet, keeping it close. Then, practice dribbling in a small area, using the inside and outside of your foot to maintain possession. Finally, find a wall and work on your passing technique, aiming for consistent contact and accuracy. These foundational steps are crucial for building your skills. Once you have the basics down, it's time to develop your skills further. Set up small targets, like cones or water bottles, and practice shooting with precision, not just power. Next, dedicate time to juggling the ball. This significantly improves your first touch and overall feel for the ball. Lastly, arrange a few cones and weave through them to boost your agility and quick changes of direction, essential for game situations. Beyond ball work, physical conditioning and game sense are vital. Incorporate bodyweight exercises like squats, lunges, and planks to build core strength and endurance, which are crucial on the field. Spend time watching professional football matches, paying close attention to player positioning, passing patterns, and defensive strategies. Finally, visualize yourself in different game scenarios, making quick decisions and executing plays perfectly. This mental practice sharpens your tactical awareness. To take your solo training to the next level, consider investing in a rebounder net. This allows you to practice quick 1-2 passes and receive the ball back instantly, simulating game speed. Focus on developing a consistent one-touch control, which is key for maintaining possession under pressure. And speaking of quality, check out Darn Tough Socks. They come with a lifetime warranty. You can find a link to these and other great deals in the description below. Keep pushing your limits and enjoy the process of becoming a better player.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.